How to use your Walmart Visa gift card on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can actually use or add our Walmart Visa debit gift card on Amazon. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you have a Walmart Visa gift card which looks like this, which you bought from Walmart store or wherever else, can you really add it? But you can add it as long as it is actually a debit Visa gift card. So this one right over here is actually not a prepaid card. So you can see as long as it is actually a debit Visa or a credit Visa gift card, you can actually add it because most e-commerce websites does accept debit Visa card. So whether it is a gift card or not really doesn't matter, as long as it's written Visa in it, you can definitely go ahead and then redeem those. So basically what you want to do is just open the Amazon website, go to amazon.com, click on the account and list icon from the top right, and then go to the option called account again. And then once you go to account, here you'll find the option called your payments. All you have to do is just select your payments, and once you select your payments, all you have to do is just select cards and account, right? So just select add a payment method. So when you select add a payment method, here you can see credit or debit card, which means you can also see the Visa stamp right next to it, which means that they do accept Visa debit or Visa credit gift cards. All you have to do is select add a credit or debit card over here, and then make sure to enter your card details. So enter the card number and then enter the card name on card, the expiration date, as well as a security code, and then add your card in that way. Choose a bank if you would like, or link your card, and then just click on OK. Now in case this doesn't work, I also have an alternative solution. That is to simply come back to this your account page again over here, and then you can go to the option called gift cards. And then once you go to gift cards, all you need to do is select redeem a gift card. And once you select redeem a gift card, all you have to do is make sure to enter your gift card code and then hit the apply to your balance if the previous method does not work. But I assure you that the previous method may work 90% of the time. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.